Welcome back. In this video, we're making dessert focaccia from Food and Wine magazine. Into water that's around 105 degrees, pour in 1 packet of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. For the dry ingredients, bread flour, sugar, black cocoa powder, and salt. Pour in the yeast mixture, mix until combined. Into a new bowl, fresh and fruity olive oil, your dough, cover and let rise for 2 hours, or until doubled in size. Grease your work surface area with olive oil, turn out your dough, fold in dark chocolate and tart cherries. Grease a 13x9 baking pan with more of the olive oil. In goes your dough, stretch it out as best as you can, cover and let rise for another hour. Make your dimples, top it off with more olive oil and turbinado sugar. Bake at 450 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Drizzle with chocolate, dust with powdered sugar, a cherry balsamic vinegar on the side for dipping, and there we have it, dessert focaccia from Food and Wine magazine. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.